Hi viewers, today we'll learn some secret keys. These are the keys that not everyone knows. You can fast your work with the using of these keys. So let's start. Number 1. Create a virtual desktop. Imagine you are in the middle of some work project or research work you've been doing all day when you need another task. Immediately opening the new tabs and windows will you just slow down, mess up your workflow, so you need a clean desktop. Just press the Windows key plus Ctrl plus D to open a new fresh desktop. Number 2. Switch between virtual desktop. Okay, but where is all that precious work that you were doing before? Is it gone forever? Don't panic, it's just hiding. To get it back, push the Ctrl plus Windows key plus right or left arrow keys. Number 3. Close open desktops. When you're done with the second task and sure you no longer need that desktops, you can close it by pressing the Ctrl plus Windows key plus F4 that appears over any open desktop spaces that close them. Number 4. Return to the desktop from apps. If you have too many apps open, any need you open another one hidden behind all those windows on your desktop. Is on need you minimize all one by one? No, you can minimize all of them in once by pushing the Windows key plus M. Number 5. Switch apps. There are several ways to effectively shift one app to another and manage them your desktop with hotkeys. Pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus Tab show you all apps that currently running on your PC. Another way to open the task view, press the Alt plus Tab that will allow to swap programs without previously displaying them. Number 6. Open an app from taskbar. If you want much faster access to your most used apps, consider keeping them on your taskbar is a speed up your workflow. If you use the following combination, a Windows key plus number keys from 1 to 9. Each number represents an app in your taskbar from left to right. Number 7. Split screen between two apps. See a magic trick. Open one app that you need for work and press the Windows key plus left arrow. Then select app and enter. Now two windows sharing on screen. Yes, you can copy, paste and make college assignments in easy way. Number 8. Open File Explorer. There's a quick and convenient way to access File Explorer. Pressing the Windows key plus E. Open the file manager on your PC. Subscribe my channel and don't forget to click on bell icon.